Are you ready to give your home a stunning makeover? Welcome back to my channel, The Rose of Real Estate, where we talk about all things real estate and Central Florida. Today, I am sharing 4 fantastic tips that will transform your home. Step 1, refresh your home with paint. It's amazing how a simple coat of paint can completely transform your space. Say goodbye to dull walls and hello to a fresh and vibrant atmosphere. Step 2, add crown molding. This classic addition brings a touch of elegance and charm to any space. It's a favorite among many homeowners, and you'll love the character that it brings to your space. Step 3, revamp your bathroom mirrors. Sometimes it's the little changes that make a big difference. Adding frames and shelving to your bathroom mirrors can instantly elevate the entire space. Step 4, add trim to your windows and doors. This simple addition can make anything look high-end. Say goodbye to plain, uninspiring frames and hello to a sophisticated touch that will impress anyone who steps foot into your home. And there you have it, 4 fabulous ways to upgrade your home's appeal. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful living space, these tips will make a world of difference. If you're looking to sell your home, go ahead and click the link in my bio so you can contact me for more tips. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.